Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change quick chat in Honor of Kings. First thing I want you to do, once you're on your main menu, just come at the bottom and click on loadout. Here in the bottom left, click on loadout. And then what I want you to do is just select any of your heroes. So here on the left you'll see different heroes you can select. Let's say we'll select this one. Then what I want you to do is click on this icon right here. So that will open up your in-game quick chat menu. And to go ahead and change any of these, you'll need a slot. So let me go ahead and click here on the pencil icon. And once you do that, you're able to remove any of them. I'll confirm that. And as you can see, now that we have this slot, I can click on the plus icon. And then you can go ahead and select a message that you would like to replace. And you can just go ahead and bring these, let's say, inside here. And you just add it right there, as you can see. And you can go ahead and just add them as you see fit. So I'll add that one as well in this slot, and I'll confirm it. And there you go. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.